Hey YouTube, what's up? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today I'm gonna review the brand new 2021 Apple Wallet that we see right here. Now, as you guys know, I covered the Apple Wallet last year, the original Apple Wallet, and I had some concerns about the Apple Wallet, things I didn't like about it, but majority of the year I still used it. It was still the wallet that I had on the back of my phone most of the year. Now, with this new version, they addressed the main concern that I had, and I guess we'll talk about the main concern a little bit later in the video. But before I get too far into the video, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I cover everything from the smart home to the smartphone. Okay, so before we crack it open, let's take a look at the old Apple Wallet and how it's been this almost a year now since I've been using it. So here it is. As you can see, it is using natural leather, and natural leather does age on the corners a little bit. I think people call it patina? Patine? I don't know what people call it, but it has this natural wear and tear here, a little bit on the side. Some of the stitching glue is starting to come off a little bit. I don't think that's a huge deal. I don't think this wallet's gonna fall apart. It still is very tight. As you can see here, it still will hold 3 cards and they won't come out. It's not loose at all. And the magnets are still pretty good. So in my opinion, it feels like this wallet has held up pretty good because I am really rough on my wallet. I may toss it to someone, it's gotten rained on and all those things, and it's held up pretty good. But let's take a look at the brand new wallet. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing. Here it is. So I'm just throwing everything today across the room, my gosh. Okay, so here it is. Pretty much the exact same design as this Apple Wallet from last year. It looks like it's pretty much the same thing. As far as thickness, yeah, without bringing out like some type of measuring device, I think these are darn near identical. But there is something a little bit special about this that's a little bit different, and we'll talk about it once we get it on the phone. So putting the wallet on the back of the iPhone, if you've never seen this before, it uses a MagSafe, so it just attaches to the middle. And now what you're going to see is that automatically it comes up telling you that you're putting a wallet on the back of the iPhone. This wallet now works with the Find My network. So when the wallet becomes detached from your phone, what happens is that it now appears in Find My. So a really good example is, let's say you go to the store, it comes off your person, and then you walk away from it. Your phone will now tell you that you're no longer near your wallet, and it'll give it its last known location. I guess the main difference is that it's connected with NFC. So it doesn't give that precise real-time location like a phone would, or like one of those air tags that is connecting to another device. It's nothing like that, but it still tells you at least where you took it off at, and for me, that's enough. So once you put it on here, you're able to add it to the Find My network just by pressing continue, and it takes a little bit of time. It sort of spins in the background, and then right here, it lets you add it to Find My. So obviously we're not gonna dive into Find My because I have my whole family's devices all in Find My, but at the same time, when you go into Find My, it'll tell you exactly where your wallet is at the last time it was disconnected from your phone. So they actually come in different colors now, so you can actually find the color that matches your current iPhone, which I think is pretty dope. But overall, as far as a wallet, let's see, I think it still holds 3 cards. So let's go ahead and put all 3 cards in. 1, 2, expired PayPal card, 3. And I think that's the limit. We'll try a 4th. And I think, yeah, what's gonna happen is this 4th one will not go in. It's very tight. So this is definitely a 3-card wallet holder. But to be honest, after I transitioned to only having 3 cards on me, it did feel a lot better. So I had my license, I had my key card to my car, and then I had 1 credit card. Now for a lot of people, they need more cards, and I usually keep more cards in my car. And then that's kind of how I was using it. It kind of helped me be a little bit more precise, especially when walking around. It was just nice to have this on the back of the phone and kind of like walk with it. And if I need it, pop it out, pop the cards out, put it back in. It was always like a really smooth transition, and I really did enjoy that. But there are situations where you need more stuff, and that is where like a full physical wallet will come into play. So it just depends on what you want. Now last year, I did check out several wallets that worked on the iPhone with the magnet. This year though, only the official Apple Wallet has the built-in Find My feature. So any of these wallets I attach to the iPhone will not have that. As of right now, and as far as what I know going forward, no third-party wallet will have access to Find My on the iPhone. So that's kind of one of the bummer things, that if you want to use a third-party one, that you won't have the opportunity. This is the wallet that I use pretty much all year from Geometric Goods, and it holds 4 cards, which was a little bit better for me. And even if I want to use this wallet again, since it doesn't have the Find My feature, it's gonna basically put me back to where I was before, where I would take my wallet off the back of my phone just so I could do something else. I could charge it, put it in a different case, or whatever I was doing, and then I always forget where I put it. And I ended up losing my wallet a lot more because of it wasn't attached to my phone. Now, people always ask, does this thing just fly off the back of the phone? And to be honest, it's on there, it's stuck on there, it's not going anywhere at all. It does come off with a light press with the thumb, or if you're wearing skinny jeans, and then maybe it'll get stuck to the jeans and you just kind of slide it off and that's it. I never had a problem with it just flying off. Now, I do find that when you have a case on your phone, it does feel a little bit more snug. I'm not sure if the case makes it more snug or just a placebo effect, but it feels like with the case, it is way more snug, and it does require a little stronger press, a little stronger thumb press to kind of get the wallet off. Here's the iPhone mini. This is comical. So this is like a wallet that has a phone attached to it versus a phone that has a wallet attached to it. So this is pretty funny. And then we have the Pro, which I've been actually using this whole time. And then we have our Pro Max here, which is like this. So, I don't know. I mean, overall for $60, I don't think this is like a bad buy. And especially now that the added functionality where it goes to the Find My network and then you can have an idea of where your wallet is at. I don't know. I think it is definitely worth the money this time around. Last year, I had reservations because there was no way to track the wallet, and now they fixed that and it's still the exact same price. So those are my thoughts. I want to know what yours are. Sound off down below. Kevin the Tech Ninja, have a great day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.